Moi! It's Turku Yoga Guide here. In this session, I will teach you 2 more shoulder stands. But before you try out these, make sure you have practiced your Sarvangasana, just the regular shoulder stand. So the first shoulder stand in this session is called Halasana, a plow pose. And the second one is called Karnapidasana, ear pressure pose. So let's take a look at those 2 poses. Once again, you start by laying down on your back and start by lifting your legs off the floor. So make sure you just do the regular shoulder stand first, Sarvangasana. Once you have stayed here for 5, 8 or 10 breaths, you can start lowering your straight legs over your head and try to go very slowly so you have control of your legs. Use your lower belly muscles to keep your back long and straight, so try not to round your back. The aim is to get your toes touching the floor, but if they don't touch on the floor, just allow your legs to stay wherever they are. Stay here in the Halasana, the plow pose, for 5, 8 or even 10 breaths. When you feel ready to go forward, bend your knees, round your back, and allow your knees to touch your head. Either let them stay on your forehead or allow them to go next to your ears. If you can, create some pressure with your knees towards your ears or wherever they are resting against your head. So this pose is called Karnapidasana, ear pressure pose. And now you're supposed to round and stretch your back. Stay here for 5, 8 or 10 breaths. And then straighten your arms back to the floor, palms are facing down, and slowly roll down vertebra by vertebra. And use your lower belly muscles, Mula Bandha and Uddiyana Bandha, to control the going down and laying back on your back. So before you try these 2 options, make sure you have a steady foundation in your shoulder stand. And if you still feel some pressure on your neck, make sure you use a blanket. And if you need the support of the wall, you are also welcome to use that. I will show you now how to use the wall in order to do Halasana and Karnapidasana. So this time you are not facing the wall, but the wall is behind you. And first, lay down on your back. And start as you did, press your elbows firmly on the floor. You can bend your knees and try to kick your toes over your head so you get your legs against the wall. And now place your hands on your back. Try to lengthen and straighten your back. And you can just let your feet rest against the wall. If you want to go any deeper, you can walk your feet down, 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 all the way towards the floor if possible. Stay here for any amount of breaths. And then bend your knees, let your head be between your knees, and then create some pressure with your knees towards your head. And stay here again as long as it feels comfortable for you. Then straighten your arms, place your palms on the floor, and slowly roll down vertebra by vertebra. And then you are ready to do the next pose, which is a counter pose for all the shoulder stands. So in the following session, you will arch your back again. So I will teach you fish pose and its variation. Kiitos, moi moi.